Emma. Today I am at Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. It is one of the most famous temples in Bangkok, and it is very tall. I am going to climb all the way to the top. Today I am at Wat Arun, the Temple of Top. Come with me. Let's go.
First, let's learn today's words. Listen carefully. Number 1, temple. A temple is a building where people pray. Wat Arun is a temple. Number 2, step. A step is one level of a staircase. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. How many steps? Number 3, climb. Climb means to go up using your hands and feet. I am going to climb the temple. Number 4, view. A view is everything you can see from a high place. From the top, the view is beautiful. Number 5, tall. Tall means having a big height. The temple is very tall. I am very small. Number 6, golden. Golden means shiny and yellow, like gold. The temple is golden in the sun. Number 7, bell. A bell is a metal object that makes a ringing sound. Ding dong. Can you hear it? Number 8, amazing. Amazing means very, very good. It surprises you. The view is amazing. Great job. Now we have 8 temple words. Let's climb. Okay, friends, here we go. The steps are very steep, so I need to be careful. Let's climb to the top. Say it with me. Let's climb to the top. Yes. Step by step by step. There are so many steps, but the temple is so beautiful. The temple is golden. Say it. The temple is golden. Oh, look, a bell. Let me ring it. Ding dong, ding dong. I love that sound. I made it. I am at the top. And wow, look at the view. Say it. Look at the view. I can see the river. I can see the city. I can see everything. I can see everything. Say it. I can see everything. It is so tall. Say it. It is so tall. This is amazing. Say it with me. This is amazing. Yes, it really is. I am so happy I climbed all those steps. The view from the top is worth it. Okay, friends, let's practice together. I say the beginning, you finish it. Ready? Let's climb to the top. Let's climb to the top. Yes. Look at the view. Look at the view. Good. It is so tall. It is so tall. Well done. I can see everything. I can see everything. Amazing. The temple is golden. The temple is golden. Good job. This is amazing. This is amazing. Yes, it is. You did great. Quiz time. Pay attention. Emma is at Wat Arun. Wat Arun is a shopping market. B, temple. C, restaurant. The correct answer is B, temple. Wat Arun is a temple. What does climb mean? Is it A, to go up? B, to go down? C, to go to sleep? The correct answer is A, to go up. Climb means to go up. From the top, Emma can see the city. What does Emma say? Is it I am so tired? B, I can see everything? C, I want to go home? The correct answer is B, I can see everything. The view is amazing. 3 out of 3? You are a superstar. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned 8 temple words: temple, step, climb, view, tall, golden, bell, and amazing. We said, let's climb to the top. We said, look at the view. We said, I can see everything. You did a wonderful job. I am so proud of you. And next time, we are going into the jungle. We will walk under tall green trees, see tropical birds, and maybe even find a waterfall. Can you imagine? Thanks for watching. Your homework, next time you see something very tall, say, look how tall it is. See you in episode 20. Bye-bye.